I think fixing floats is an easy thing and something that we should be doing. So here's a float here. And in this case, the float is actually just one end. So I warped 2 threads in each slot, in each hole. And in this case, I had one end catch and weave properly, and my other end has been skipped. So I have an option here. I can actually just snip this here and here, and it's unlikely that anybody would ever actually know the difference. But because it's so easy to fix, I prefer fixing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab this end and I'm going to very, very gently pull it out of the weave. Now it's a boucle, so it's a little bit more challenging to pull through. And I've already sewn my edge here too. I've got a straight stitch. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's a straight stitch by my sewing machine here. So I have to pull it out very carefully to get it out of that stitch. So there, I've pulled it out. Just going to thread that needle there, and I'm just going to weave back following the correct path. So this is a plain weave, so it's just a straight over and under, so it's not going to be any problem. And just gently pull it through here. We do have to be gentle because it is boucle and it can get caught. And as I do that, I'll just stretch it out a bit to, I've already wet finished this, so ideally you would have checked before wet finishing for any floats and fix them before wet finishing. I'll wash these again after I've finished the hemming, and then that will completely disappear. So that's all there is to fixing it. So I think it is definitely worth the effort to fix simple mistakes like this.